Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, you will get to know the list of top government MBA colleges which offers you the MBA in the least fees. And if we consider the return of investment, then these are the best colleges to consider with. Coming to the very first college is Jamia Millia Islamia University. So it offers you the MBA program. This university has the various accreditations like Bar Council of India, Dental Council of India, Council of Architecture, Rehabilitation Council of India, University Grants Commission, Distance Education Bureau, National Council for Teacher Education and All India Council for Technical Education. So it offers you the 2 years of MBA in various specializations like MBA in International Business, MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, Executive MBA in Tourism and Travel Management, MBA in Healthcare and Hospital Management, MBA in Entrepreneurship and Family Business. The mode of the program will be full-time regular mode. However, it offers you the Executive MBA program also in Tourism and Travel. It is offered in a part-time mode as well. The duration of the program will be from 2 years to 4 years and the overall number of seats in this university are 240. So if you want to take the admission in this university, so you need to have the bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria of the Jamia Millia University includes their own entrance examination. So if you score well in their entrance examination and the group discussion will be over there and one round will be for the personal interview. So overall marks will be considered for the final selection of the candidates. If we consider the 2 years of MBA fees in this university, then it will range from 47,000 to 2.1 lakhs rupees. The highest MBA salary in 2023 offered by this college is nearly up to 25 lakhs per annum. Next college is Institute of Management Studies, Banaras Hindu University. So this was established in the year 1968 and this institute is an integral part of one of the premier universities in the world, Banaras Hindu University. It offers you the MBA in various specializations like MBA in Finance, HR, IT, in Marketing, Agribusiness Marketing, Agribusiness Finance, Agribusiness HR, Agribusiness Operation Management, then International Business in HR, International Business in Finance, International Business is IT and International Business in Marketing. So these are all the specializations you will get in this college. The duration of the program will be for the 2 years and the eligibility criteria includes a bachelor's degree in any stream with minimum 50% marks in the graduation. And the selection criteria of this college includes the performance in the CAT examination. So the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program with this college is nearly up to 1,20,767 rupees and according to the placement report of 2023, the highest MBA salary offered in this college is nearly up to 22 lakhs per annum. Next college is the University of Delhi, Faculty of Management Studies. Faculty of Management Studies Delhi, commonly known as FMS, is one of the best business school in India. It was established in the year 1954 on the campus of Delhi School of Economics. It is accredited by the National Assessment Accreditation Council, that is NAC. And according to the 2023 report, the highest package offered by this college is nearly up to 1.23 crore per annum. The average salary package through this college is 34.1 lakhs per annum and the median package with this college is 31 lakhs per annum. The duration of the program will be 2 years and the eligibility criteria will be you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum 50% marks. So the selection criteria of this college includes the performance in the CAT examination and the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program with this college is nearly up to 2 lakhs rupees. Coming to the next college is Department of Commerce University, Delhi. Department of Commerce, formally set up as a separate entity in 1967, the premier institution in India for the course, curriculum development, then teaching and researching commerce discipline. The duration of the program will be 2 years and the eligibility criteria is you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with an aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria of this college includes the performance in the CAT examination and the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program will be nearly up to 20,000 rupees. Next college is Department of Management Studies, Anna University. So Department of Management Studies, Anna University is a government funded college situated in Chennai and established in the year 1981. The duration of the program will be 2 years of MBA, and the eligibility criteria will be you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria of this college includes the performance in the CAT examination. During placements 2022-2023, students of this university got placements in top companies like TCS, HDFC Bank, SCL Technologies, L&T Infotech, Cisco Systems, eBay, Flipkart, TVS Motors, Radisson, and there are so many companies are over there. The highest package offered is 6 lakhs per annum, while the lowest package was 4.2 lakhs per annum. The average placement salary offered by this college is nearly up to 3.6 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program, then it will ranges in between 20,500 to 22,000. Next college is Pondicherry University. So this university is a central university located in Pondicherry, and it was established in the year 1985. Pondicherry University is recognized by the UGC, accredited by the NAC with an A grade. So this university offers you the 2 years of MBA program, and the eligibility criteria will be you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 55% marks. The selection criteria of this university includes the performance in the CAT examination. According to the placement report of 2023, there are more than 79% candidates last year who was placed with this university. The median salary offered by this university is nearly up to 4.30 lakhs per annum, and the top recruiters are ICICI, ITC, Mahindra. And if we consider the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program, then it is nearly up to 74,718 rupees. Coming to the next college is University of Jammu. The University of Jammu, accredited as A+ grade university by National Assessment and Accreditation Council of India. So it was established in the year 1969. The University of Jammu has recently been awarded as the 51st rank in the National Institutional Ranking Framework conducted by the Ministry of HR Development. The duration of the program will be 2 years, and the eligibility criteria will be you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria of this college includes the performance in the CAT examination. The university recorded a 55% MBA hiring rate, and the median package offered to MBA students was nearly up to 7 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program, then it is nearly up to 78,000 rupees. Coming to the next university is Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. So this is a public university in the city of Vadodara, Gujarat, India. Originally established as a college in 1881, and it became a university in 1949 after India's independence. So this university got as an A+ NAC accreditation, and it has the various affiliations like UGC, BCI and AICTE. The duration of the program will be 2 years, and the eligibility criteria includes a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria of this university includes the performance in the CAT examination. So if we consider the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program, then it is nearly up to 14,500 rupees. Coming to the next college is Ganpat University. So this is a private university in the state of Gujarat. It was established in the year 2005 through the State Legislative Act number 19 of 2005, Government of Gujarat, and recognized by the UGC under the section 2 of the UGC Act. So the duration of the program will be 2 years with this university, and the eligibility criteria includes the bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. The selection criteria in this university includes the performance in the CAT examination, and the course fees will be nearly up to 95,000 rupees. Coming to the next college is RKDF University. So this is an Indian private university located in Bhopal, and it was established in the year 2012. RKDF Bhopal is approved by the University Grants Commission (UGC) and is a member of Association of Indian Universities, that is AIU. The duration of the program will be 2 years, and the eligibility criteria is a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. So if you have given the CAT entrance examination, then you can consider this university. The course fees for the 2 years of MBA program with this university is nearly up to 50,000 rupees. Next college is Department of Management Science, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. So this is also known as an PUMBA, was established in the year 1971. It is one of the first management institutes in India, and PUMBA was accredited with the institutional grade A with the 5 stars. It offers you the 2 years of MBA program. The eligibility criteria is you will need a bachelor's degree in any stream with a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. So if you are given the CAT entrance examination, then on the basis of the CAT score, you can take the admission in this university. So the course fees for the 2 years of MBA program with this university is nearly up to 66,000 rupees. So this is the list of top government colleges which offers you the MBA in the list fees. If you have any doubts related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.